Did you know that the camera image can be transmitted via a corresponding client such as a web browser? You can activate this new streaming function called WEBSERVER in the software PIX Connect. To activate the web server, go to the menu Tools, Configuration, External Communication. Check Web Server. Under Mode you can now select which section of the screen you like to transmit. You can select Full Screen, Application, IR Image Only or User Defined. Under Server Settings, the port and the frame rate can be selected. In addition, the host must be selected under IP address for link. To start streaming, the server must be started via the button Start. If everything has been configured correctly, the message "Server is running" appears in green color. Using the link which is automatically created based on your IP address and port setup. Via the link with the corresponding port number, you can start immediately the web browser. With the web server, you can observe your application remotely anytime and from any PC or mobile device, which has access to the network.